If you're looking for a budget digital audio player, two popular picks are the Innioasis Y1 and the Snowsky Echo Mini. But which one actually sounds better? Let's break it down. So the Innioasis Y1 is a budget-friendly DAP with wide format support, touchscreen UI, Bluetooth, and long battery life, around 25 hours of playback. Some of its pros: supports tons of formats like FLAC, WAV, and MP3, long battery life and simple UI, and great for audiobooks and casual listening. However, sound quality can be inconsistent depending on setup, and Bluetooth and software can feel basic. It's best for users who want a simple, versatile music player for daily use. The Snowsky Echo Mini focuses more on pure audio performance, often featuring better DAC hardware and cleaner sound output compared to ultra-budget players. Some of its pros is generally better sound quality and tuning, built for album listening and music playback, and more audiophile-leaning hardware. However, it has more limited UI and features, less flexible than Android-style players, and it's best for listeners who care more about sound quality than features. So which one is better? Choose the Innioasis Y1 if you want a feature-rich, easy-to-use player for everyday listening, podcasts, and audiobooks. Choose the Echo Mini if you want better audio quality and a more music-focused experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.